Inquest, just say no, and it's Fall Down Friday on this edition of Arbitrage State of the Bands, starting now. Good morning, traders, and welcome to your Arbitrage State of the Bands for Friday, April 26, 2019. I'm Joshua Stark. As House Democrats ramp up their post-Mueller investigations into President Donald Trump, his strategy for responding is simple: resist on every legal front. The administration is straining to hold off congressional investigators, including their efforts to obtain the president's tax returns, his business financial records, and testimony from former senior aides. "We're fighting all the subpoenas," Trump declared on Wednesday, and if House members go all the way and try to impeach him, he said he would head to the Supreme Court for help. Trump said his White House would refuse to cooperate with further congressional investigation. More Arbitrage Trade State of the Band coming up. Stick around.
If getting the most out of your investment is important to you, then beware of cheap entertainment when planning your next party. Omega Sound and Entertainment is a Hall of Fame mobile DJ company that travels the country, specializing in once-in-a-lifetime events from weddings and private parties to corporate events and more. For your once-in-a-lifetime event, invest wisely. Invest where the search for premier entertainment ends. Omega Sound and Entertainment. Online at OmegaSoundDJs.com or Omega Sound DJs on Instagram.
Amazon, which hooks shoppers on getting just about everything delivered in 2 days, announced Thursday that it will soon promise one-day delivery for its Prime members on most items. The company hopes that cutting delivery times in half will make its $119 a year Prime membership more worthwhile, since every other online store offers free deliveries in 2 days. Amazon also can't compete with Walmart and Target, where ordering online and picking up at a store is becoming more popular with shoppers. Your Fall Down Friday pick is a company that focuses on payment solutions and transaction and account services for banks. Stock symbol FIS belongs to Fidelity National Information Services with a target price of $86. Go on, take the money and run. Hey, come back and see us Monday for more Arbitrage Trade State of the Bands.
Powers Not Included, the comic book podcast. A podcast about comics, games, toys, and everything geek. They talk about Deadpool, Deathstroke, Deathlock, the Night of the Living Dead, and The Walking Dead. Why the fixation on dead stuff? Find out when you subscribe to Powers Not Included on YouTube, iTunes, Stitcher, Google Play, and Podbean.
Arbitrage Trade Analytics LLC is a privately held market research company. Arbitrage Trade Analytics LLC is solely responsible for the preparation and distribution of the content of this podcast. The opinions offered in this podcast are for informational purposes only and are not intended to be investment advice. Seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. For more information about the informational research and services offered by Arbitrage Trade Analytics LLC, please visit arbitragetrade.com.